Hello, hello, hello. I am here to do an unboxing of these exotic snacks, Worldwide Taste Temptations. I purchased this with a gift card on Amazon. I had, I think, like $16 gift card, and I was looking for something that I could, unbox here on the channel and enjoy here on the channel with y'all. And this is what I found. So let's get into it, shall we? Alright, I went ahead and ripped that little tab off so I could easily open it up for you and we can experience it together. Okay, so we've got, looks like, yeah, nutritional information, some information about the ingredients of each item, which is good because, allergies and so forth for people. Yeah, has all the nutritional information all set out here like that. It does not say anything about what country of origin each item comes from. Yeah, it just kind of has a little spiel about each item, like, is it sweet? Is it sour? Yada, yada, yada. So, but it doesn't specifically say what region of the world. It does, it looks like, have a little code that can be scanned, and it looks like they also have an Instagram. Okay, interesting, cool. Let's see what they got in here. So, now, if you want to see me do a taste test of these items, you'll have to subscribe because that'll be done in individual videos at a later date. Alright, this looks like it is a cheese and maybe a cheese and pepper, because I'm seeing cheese, I'm seeing pepper right there. Cheese and pepper kind of snack. I'll show you what this box looks like before I took that out. Here is looks like a breadstick style cracker kind of snack. I'm guessing it's peppercorn because of this little image right here. So when I do the individual videos trying these, I will try and look the product up so at that time I can give much more information. So we've got two kind of chips, snacky cracker style items. We have a Turkish coffee with sugar, instant coffee right here. Now, my spouse and I don't drink coffee at all, but occasionally when I make a chocolate baked item, I do like to have a little coffee to throw into that just to enhance the chocolate. So that's probably how I'll use this. But for the review, I'll probably go ahead and just make it as is and review it and then incorporate it into some kind of a sweet treat. So yeah, interesting with the coffee. Okay, it looks like Coca-Cola flavored popping candy. Interesting. This could be good. I might like this. Okay, we also have, it looks like a biscuit, a little cream and chocolate coated biscuit, and it looks like maybe that's coconut, shredded coconut on it. Could be good. What else we got? Oh, we got a little pie. It looks like it's lemon from the photo here. I'm not sure what the top is. Maybe it's chocolate. Maybe that's supposed to be an orange instead of lemon. Orange and chocolate, I could see that. So it has a really pretty crust on it. So this will be, I bet I'll like this a lot. Next up we have, it looks like some orange little biscuits or cookies or whatever you want to consider them. I think though in other countries these are called biscuits, so I'll keep referring to them as biscuits. So an orange biscuit sounds delightful. Might be lemon, but I'm guessing that's going to be orange instead of lemon. Okay, it looks like we have another biscuit dipped in chocolate with a filling Now here's the one that I showed you previously. So very similar. It looks like just the only difference is maybe that this one is coated with the, I'm assuming coconut, and this one is not. But when I do the taste test, that's when we'll find out what exactly is going on. And I'll try to film these back to back so I get a really good comparison on how that situation is. We have a wafer, and it looks like this is a hazelnut wafer. I'm not sure what the other, maybe like hazelnut and mint. Not sure what that is. Maybe a lychee? Not quite sure, but definitely hazelnut, and definitely that it looks like maybe a mint leaf. So I'm not a massive fan of wafers just because how messy they crumble everywhere. But I'm always up for trying and seeing what the different flavors or what they're all about. Okay, next up, it looks like a caramel candy with a like gooey center. That could be very tasty. Yeah, it definitely feels like it's a hard candy on the outside, and then a gooey center will be inside. So I know my wife will like these a lot. Sometimes that kind of hard candy with gooey sticky center and with the metal plate, sometimes that can be a little challenging for me, but I always manage it. I always figure a way out because, you know, snacks. Looks like we have some either gum or candy in little individuals. There's a little pink one. There's a purple one. There's a white one. And then there's a blue one. So if they are a gum, I'll have my wife try those. I cannot do gum with my current situation. And then looks like 2 more items. So this really like had a lot in it. Now this is Helva. It looks like it is maybe almond. I'm not really sure. Like maybe an almond. That kind of looks like an almond to me. And that kind of looks like a sunflower seed. So maybe almonds and sunflower seeds in this one. Could be good. I've had some that I enjoy. I've had some that I don't enjoy. So the texture doesn't really bother me, even though it's kind of sandy. Yeah, I don't have a problem with the sandy texture. And then last but certainly not least is a gummy candy. Super Jelly from Yipple. Yipple! Big fan of gummy candies, so's the wife. So I'm sure we'll probably enjoy these, more than likely. But yeah, they really put together quite a nice box. I do wish that the box had some sort of like information about the country of each one's origins, and maybe like how this candy or treat relates to that specific country, or like why they picked it for the box. Is it popular, or what's going on with it? But yeah, overall I would say that for the price I paid, well worth it. I'll link it below. If you've ever tried this specific one-time purchase style box from Amazon for snacks from around the world, let me know what your experience was. And if you have not, is it something that would interest you? Do you like exploring different flavors and tastes and treats? Let me know down below. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.